Okay, so these are all my Angry Birds. This is the Christmas red bird. See his tag. Make sound. Now just leave him here. This. And here's the Halloween yellow bird. For Halloween, he is a witch. Makes sound too. This is his tag. He has the eggs. Here's the boomerang bird. My mom made him. And he's just angry and he boomerangs. And here's the bomb bird. He does make noise. And here's the yellow bird. He does make noise. Here's this little tiny bomb bird. They were supposed to put a little white spot here. It's a mighty bird. But they just forgot to. So I'd still like it. Here's the low three bird. This is the red bird. You'll see two more red birds. He doesn't make noise either. Here's the yellow bird. He does make noise. Here's the three bird. He splits into three. Here's the three bird. He splits into three when you just tap on the screen. And he's pretty cool. That's the same one. Okay, now here's the red bird. This guy makes the pigs get. This one makes a whole one. So there's this one. He's the same thing. And now here's the big weather bird. He smashes everything that's in his route. Here's the egg bird. He pops eggs that explode when the egg hits stuff. But if it bounces, it just bounces up. And here's the big yellow bird. He doesn't make a noise, so I still like him. Now the pigs are over here. And here's the regular pig. He does not make noise. Here's another regular pig. He's the same thing as this one. Does not make noise. This guy has a mouth too. And this guy does make noise. Has a mouth too. This guy doesn't have a mouth. So this guy makes noise. Big King Pig is my favorite. He has a mouth. And here's the Homer Pig. And he has an open mouth too.